This video shows us working on digging in water and electric lines to the new barn. You may notice that this is a different excavator than what you've seen before. So we had up-traded for this one, which is a Cat 307C. And I do plan on making another video about it in the future, so be on the lookout for that. And the water and electric lines that we were putting in both needed to run about 500 foot each. We ran the water line up and behind the old barn and ran the electric line to the center electric pole. Then when we put it in the ground, we put both of them in conduit pipe. Then we pushed the ditches back shut with the skid loader, which somehow I managed to not get any video shots of that. But most of this is just going to be running the excavators. This is the first that I'd really got to use this excavator. I did use a little bit digging inside of the barn, but this is the first time really actually using it. So it is definitely a decent digging machine. You'll see right here that I hit a hard spot. That was the only area that was a struggle for it. But it did dig through it eventually. It just took a little bit longer than what it did everywhere else. Everywhere else it dug came out with a full bucket easily every time. this concludes this video, so as always, I thank you for watching.